Years ago, I came here to Anglesey Circuit in a Ferrari F12 and drifted the tyres off the thing. The same man still works at Ferrari and he said, why don't we recreate that film? I've got a 296 GTS and I'm willing to give you tyres. And I said, why the hell not? Oh, by the way, the weather at the beginning of the film didn't look like this. Oh, 800 horsepower, rear wheel drive. What a thing. People hate it when I say what a thing, but I mean what a thing. That corner, I mean in the damp, it's got way too much power for a two-wheel drive vehicle, of course it has. But actually it manages it all remarkably well, and then eventually the tyres just go, we can't do this. So there's a scariness to it, but it's a sort of, how do I put this? It's a friendly scariness. This is the little one that basically is supposed to be the entry level. And it's just sideways everywhere. But it's also an incredibly competent, enjoyable car for me. I don't get why the world isn't in love with the 296. I get why the world isn't in love with the SF90. That's pointless. It's got no boot. It's unnecessarily fast. The four-wheel drive system is way too complicated. But the 296 is a honey. And I've just got the roof on. There's a whole new world of enjoyment when we take that off. It's actually a stupendous engine as well. It's got the electric boost that gets it going. Then the turbos come in. It feels like a 9-litre V6. And the noise, it revs out. It's a really zingy engine sound. I prefer it to the last V8 turbos in the 488 and the Tributo. I really do. But apparently on paper, people don't like a V6. People are strange though, aren't they, really? Yeah, damp track, roof on, ESC off. A 296 GTS is a handful. It's about all I can do. At 50 years of age, I have to say, I'll pass this on to the younger generation. They can scare the shit out of themselves. Good God. Just the motive bloody force of it. So I'm coming out of a hairpin in fourth. Bang, done. It just goes. And that's a damn track and it's taking it all. And once you've worn out a set of tyres, you've got a lovely man from Ferrari that fits more tyres. Not a service that's available to all owners, but when you've got 800 horsepower in your 296 GTS, you need more boots. A good time to discuss the specification of this, frankly, ridiculous car, because it's the baby Ferrari. I always think it's best to judge the world and the direction which it's heading when you look at the absolute ultimate and the baby. The baby in this case has 800 horsepower. That to me is a ridiculous number. This would have been the fastest car on the planet a few years ago. It'll do 0 to 124 miles an hour in under 8 seconds. That used to be a time that if you did it 0 to 100 miles an hour, you'd say that's crazy. 0 to 124 in 7.9 seconds. It's just madness. A GTS is a convertible. It's effectively a removable Targa panel, not like a full convertible, but it just adds to the experience for me. There's a 70 kilogram weight penalty. About 5 kilograms of that is carbon fibre, just strengthening in the floor pan and in the sills probably to make it stiffer. You feel a bit of wobble, but not too much. I just think it's probably the best car the company makes at the moment.
You are probably aware now that this film is really about Neil and Chris and Seb just taking beautiful shots of a beautiful Ferrari. Oh, and here's the roof going down. I still think it's so cool that you can do that while moving.
I know we're roof down now, so we're noisy. I'm going to shout a bit. I know I can't hide how much I like this car, but I think it's brilliant. I really do. So capable, so fast, so enjoyable. I've been really dismissive of V6 engines in these sorts of cars for a long time, but it suits the character, it's smooth, it sounds pretty expensive and luxurious to me, and the combination of those turbochargers and that electricity is, it's just ridiculously capable as well. With the roof off, you've got another whole element to the experience, haven't you? Anglesey, the sun's out, the spring's coming. I mean, this is a feel-good film for the spring. I love it. I love yellow Ferraris as well. Feel this down the back straight. 6, 7, 8, 8,500 RPM. Shift lights up. Massive braking zone for this last hairpin. Second gear. I tend to hook third there. Gets rid of a bit of the understeer. Then we come screaming out. Ho! Now, let's go over the line and maybe we can let it move around a little bit, can't we? Just a little bit. Take that one fairly straight. I'm very impressed. So normally I'd say a Michelin is all day long is what you want, but this little Bridgestone has taken hours of punishment sideways. Most of the shots you've seen were shot just on this set of rears. I was just the outside. Back in the day, Nilo, who's behind there somewhere with the sound equipment, we'd have got a knife out. I'd have cut that off, that tread block there, and we'd have carried on going. That's because we were young and stupid. What a car. Sometimes the ordinary Ferraris are the best Ferraris. Full beans, third gear. We'll do another full beans, third gear. The other way around. You don't need big jagged steering inputs because the chassis is so f***ing good. This mid-engine 800 horsepower Ferrari and I'm just lobbing it about like a caterer. How do they do it? What times we live in? Fantastic, spectacular car. Honestly, we've all got the 296 a bit wrong, I think. I think it's a brilliant car. I know the residuals are absolutely on the floor in Europe at the moment, but actually, apart from these stupid buttons on the steering wheel, on the haptic shit, and the industry's rejected that anyway, apart from all that, what a car. The cabin is comfortable, it's spacious, the roof comes off in no time whatsoever. I just don't like the controls. The rest of it is sensational. You can buy one of these as a hardtop for about 180 grand now. I can't say that's great value because it's not his normal life for normal people, but it's better than most cars that cost £500,000 and it's on an SF90. Oh, what a thing. One last skid, yeah, why not?
So that, folks, is my spring gift to you all. A fabulous Ferrari filmed by some very talented people. Enjoy the warmer weather.